Hey, see. Generating money with a cash cow YouTube channel is a lot easier if you're a rookie. Let me tell you. When we were about to start a cash cow YouTube channel, we learned it wasn't that easy to rely on any random video or a channel. The reason for this is that there has been a lot of content created about how to launch a YouTube cash cow channel. But, in reality, these channels spread a lot of misinformation, and many of them don't even teach how to function on a faceless channel. So, in today's video, we've walked you through the entire strategy and process of creating a cash cow channel. You must watch this video if you are a student who is just starting out or if you want to make money as a side hustle. Plus, stay tuned till the end of the video for a brainstorming suggestion on how to quickly monetize your YouTube channel. Before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell symbol. So, without further ado, let's go right into the video. So let's begin with the brainstorming niche ideas. Yes, your very first tip is to go to Google search bar and type, all hobbies. Here you have numerous categories of hobbies enlisted like makeup, art craft, cuisine, gardening, knitting, photography, hiking, drawing, sewing, and a lot more. Let me ask you, what's your hobby? Or what would you like to do in your spare time? Let us know in the comments section below. Alright, so we were discussing that at the very first and the beginning of it you have to bring some fancy and brilliant niche ideas, and one of the options is to choose from your hobbies. Do you know what's the reason? If you love to do something like, let's say makeup or hiking, then you create awesome content for your videos because you're interested in that particular category. Well, you can search for the categories on Google in which you're interested or sure about. You can carry that niche for a long period of time. Well, if you have plenty of options and don't know which one you should adopt first, then check out the next step and make sure you've liked the video so you can save it and easily note down the points wherever you're confused. Step 2. Finalize your niche. Choosing a niche is simple, but deciding on one while keeping certain facts in mind is more difficult. Come on. Let's seal the deal on your niche. So you may have some choices right away, correct? Alrighty. Do you know their cost per thousand? If so, you might choose your niche based on cost per thousand, viewership, or revenue stream. So, what exactly is CPM? CPM stands for cost per mile. That is, for every 1,000 views, you will receive the set amount of money. Okay, so you may choose your niche by looking at the CPM of your niche selection first. I have some concerns about their predicted CPMs, but it's only an estimate. I'm going to give you an example, but you can produce a lot more than that. For example, the finance specialty has a CPM of over $25, health has a CPM of over $15, and insurance has a CPM of over $50. As I previously stated, that is only an estimate, and you can earn a lot more. Let me show you a channel as an example. Bestie is a health-based channel, which means they work in the health niche, and you can examine their revenue by going to Social Blade and typing in Bestie. Oh my goodness. Guys, they make over $37,000 every month. And look at the number of views on this page. In the previous 30 days, they've received over 9.2 million views. I assume you're motivated now. Another approach is to choose your focus based on viewing. To do this, go to YouTube and type in makeup and then hit the search option. If you don't know how to do beautiful makeup, for example, it's no huge concern since we'll give you a wonderful idea to outsource the complete video on a low budget. So you don't have to face all the headaches. You can just select the niche that you believe will generate the most views in the shortest amount of time. Or third, look into the income streams of various niches. By income streams, we mean niches that can give consistent income even if you aren't interested in them. Work on it if it has more and consistent income streams. You can use the same tactic of hiring people to get your work done here, but I have a better option, which is, of course, hiring other individuals. Step 3. Produce content concepts. So now we'll go on to the third phase in creating a successful cash cow channel, develop content ideas. But what exactly does it imply? Well, anything. There are normally numerous ways to generate material or make videos, such as whiteboard animation or stock footage editing, which are both low-cost solutions. But keep in mind that these low-cost options can have a significant impact on your channel statistics. That is why it was stated that you must be constant and continue to analyze your beliefs, center, and other factors. As we all know, a cash cow YouTube channel is one that we aren't very interested in, but was built solely to earn from, thus we must pay close attention to every element such as editing, title, keyword, SEO, and so on. Everything is fine. How and what type of material you generate is entirely dependent on your niche, But if you don't want to expose your face, infographic animation is also a great option. Step 4. Locate channel keywords that have been fully optimized. The next step is to choose keywords that are perfectly optimized for your channel. There are other options, but I'll propose my 2 favorites. First method, if you don't want to use a tool, go to YouTube and type in your specialty. Let's assume you're looking for gadgets. First, search for it, then go to filters and look for the channel. Click on it, and YouTube will display all of the gadget-related channels. Click on any of them that you think is performing well, such as the one I'm going to click on. New Technological Gadgets. Now, right-click on their homepage and select View Page Source Now. Press Ctrl+F on your keyboard to bring up a search box, type in terms and hit Enter. It would now highlight the optimized keywords for the channel. If your niche is similar, you can just duplicate these keywords. Another option is to utilize a free internet tool to search for terms. Go to Google and type in vidIQ to find it. Once you're on the page, sign up here or simply sign up with Google Now by clicking on Keywords in the top bar. Enter your keyword, say Truly, and it will show you the level of search, volume, and competition for that keyword. Step 5. Decide on your video topics. Okay, before you start working on your channel, we propose that you finalize your topics. It will be a plus point, and you will be able to submit your videos on a constant basis. Don't worry if you don't know how to finish or even come up with concepts for your videos. For viral video ideas, this is just my favorite section of the video. All you have to do now is go to YouTube and type in your niche concept. I'm going to write about gadgets, for example. If you want to hit more gadget-related terms, use the spacebar after typing this single word, and voila! More keywords that people are searching for will be displayed on YouTube. Go back to vidIQ and click on Keywords after you've opened the notepad and saved all of these keywords. So, if you want to install the Pro edition of vidIQ, you can do so for $10. Step 6. Content Creation. Well, I'm sure you've heard it before, but once you start implementing the ideas and creating your own cash count channel, you'll understand. Okay, so you obviously have a variety of alternatives for producing high-quality content, such as doing it all yourself or simply employing others. Here's what I was talking about. Hiring multiple people requires a lot of commitment and potential, therefore hiring only one person to complete all of your tasks is a better option. First, let me explain how you can create your own material. I recommend using Quora forums or top-rated Google articles for scripts. So, let's get started, shall we? Open Google and type on your topic, for example, Top 10 Amazon Gadgets on Quora. When you get to the sites, you'll notice that many people have written useful articles about the latest devices. As a result, you can readily get ideas from it. Now that you've added voiceover to your video, you may record your lovely voice to narrate it anywhere you've placed in your screenplay. All you have to do is read it out loud with complete expressions, like I've been doing. Isn't it a little self-referential? You'll need a good microphone for this, which should cost around $50 to $100, such as Snowball. And then you'll need to edit the video, which you can do with a variety of programs such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Camtasia, and others. I would recommend Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can get free copyright-free footage for your videos from websites such as Unsplash, Pixabay, or any other. Guys, you can also acquire a free intro and outro by going to Panzoid, which is a website where you can get free unique intros and outros. Step 7. Optimize and upload. Congrats, you've already completed all of the necessary procedures, so go ahead and blow up your channel once you've gathered all of the necessary information and content. Upload your content while keeping the optimization tactics in mind. Keep watching this video because it's really instructive and crucial, and those steps will assist you in reaching your channel's first growth. Now go to your computer's video folder and find it. Rename the videos with the main title, as I'm going to call it Amazon's Top 10 Devices. Drag and drop one of the videos from YouTube into this box. So now all you have to do is fill in the title, description, and tags. Put something interesting in the title, perhaps along the lines of the core keyword. When writing a description, make sure to use at least 150 or 200 word paragraphs and include the core keyword as well as related keywords. Step 8. Monetize your content. You'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of YouTube watch time to make your material monetized. If you're acquiring material from high-quality cash cow providers, you can easily place advertising on your videos, or you can employ an affiliate marketing plan. You can advertise links no matter what niche you're in. I'm not sure why I'm going to show you. Return to Google and type in offer wall. Earn a list of your niche, such as make money online. As you can see, Offer Vault will display a number of relevant offers, and below are some of the networks that pay us commissions for recommending their items. Simply join any network that appeals to you. Get your link, put it in your description, and that's all there is to it. You're ready to go. Step 9. Examine. Now go over your video and keep an eye on your statistics. If you feel the need to change a thumbnail or even tags, do it right away. That concludes today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You may also post your questions in the comments area. We'll be back with more information soon, so stay tuned.